humidity, it's very stable. Temperature is 23 degrees.
Oh.
So we'll use the temperature to check temperature and humidity to check if the device is
So I'm only
doing
seeing
something.
Yeah.
So I'll hold it in my hand. Yep, humidity 71%.
Yeah.
95%.
95%.
Temperature still 25.
Are you cold blooded?
I think I am.
26.
Yeah, so if I release it in
it
the
should
air
drop.
like that, then the humidity should drop significantly, very fast.
So this one measures temperature and humidity.
This one measures temperature and humidity.
Nice.
And now this measures the power quality, voltage, amps.
Okay.
So I would like for us now to try the higher current, a higher current device.
Okay.
You see the humidity is dropping back to normal.
Yeah.
Temperature responded slowly, so it rose, but it rose slowly. But you can see it rose to 30. Yeah. So unaweza pata maji sasa.
Yes.
Maji tuweke. So you've now connected the kettle as water. We are ready to. Yep, it's light. It's on. The current is drawing is around 8 amps, 8.3 amperes.
8.3 amperes.
Yep, and there we have it. This is the current.
Yeah.
8 amperes. You can see the previous records were low, around 1 ampere. So you are able to see in real time what your devices are drawing, the voltage and the current.
The current itself.
Okay.
Yes.
And then now, for the next test, you don't have to run it all the way. It's just a simple.
Yeah. Yeah.
But of course now here, the critical part I wanted to show is alarms, because alarms are critical. So here, if we only show active alarms and update, so there is no alarm right now.
Yes.
Meaning voltage is okay.
Yeah.
The devices are not reporting anything going wrong. And so, if let's say for a reason the voltage is cut, let's say like we switch off at the switch, can switch off at on the right side, the right side.
The black one, eh?
Yes.
The black one.
No,
Is it
the white one.
Oh.
That one. So now the voltage becomes what's the new voltage? Just unplug it. This alarm is saying power loss alarm, and it's a critical alarm. Yeah. So at the same time, captain reporting a lower voltage. So you can see there is a 140.
Yeah.
I'll investigate where that is coming from.
Bado haijashuka zero.
This is going to be a new email. Please turn off.
What is being turned off?
Okay, now connect. You see, there is a device, blink energy meter. This blink energy meter power loss. So it's reporting a power loss.
A power loss.
So it's telling you that the device blink energy meter voltage is 138.29. Exactly what it is here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we've set a threshold in the device to alert you if it is reached. If the voltage is below that, it reports.
It triggers an alarm.
So now let's reconnect and see what happens.
Okay.
So reconnect. connect.
I think
Voltage?
Yes.
The voltage is low and the current is 0. Yeah, and the alarm is there.
Yeah.
So as soon as it reports that power is back, this alarm will clear.
Oh, it clears itself.
The alarm will clear itself. You
Oh.
see? The alarm is gone.
Yes.
Doesn't exist anymore.
Yeah.
Because the condition for the alarm has been met. There is no power, there is no alarms, there is no problem. So you're okay. Again, at the same time,
Yes.
I have
I
it will send me an email. There's going to be a new email
No.
of power resume.
Wow.
Yeah, this is device power resume, voltage is 269.
69.
There you have it.
Let's see voltage.
You see, and it is the same value we have
Yes.
here.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
if you look at